In my previous video, I showed how to convert normal data into table format. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert table into normal data range. Now, if you want to convert the table format into normal range, the very first thing you need to do is select all the data. So we're gonna press Control, Shift, right key, and down key. Once the data is selected, can you can go to table design, and all you need to do is simply press convert to range. Once you press convert to range, it's going to ask you like, do you really want to change it to normal range? Of course we want to. That's why we are here. All right, so you're going to press yes, and that's all you need to do. Select all the data and go to table tab, convert it to normal range.